FXBG Diverse City is a 5-month social media campaign from the city of Fredericksburg, aimed at recognizing and promoting the diversity of businesses in our community. The program, FXBG Diverse City, features 2 diverse local businesses a week while following monthly themes. This month, we featured Black-owned small businesses in the city of Fredericksburg to honor Black History Month in February. Get to know the owners behind the businesses we love in FXBG. Our first feature introduces us to Antoine Carey, the owner of Fredericksburg's barber shop, Faded & Company.
My name is Antoine Carey. I'm the owner and operator of Faded & Company Barbershop as well as Faded & Company Barber Academy. We are blessed to be a part of the Fredericksburg community and work alongside organizations such as Thurman Brisbane Center, Micah Ministries, as well as Embrace Foster Care. We feel it's an honor to be not only in this community, but a part of this community. We ask that you stop by and meet the Faded family.
Faded.
Faded.
Our next FXBG Diverse City business featured is Jus Pop'N in downtown Fredericksburg.
I'm Carolyn Gibson, the owner of Jus Pop'N on the corner of William and Princess Anne. That's 300 William Street. And you can visit us on our website at www.juspopnfxbg.com. I love cooking, so it's the love of all of everything, the people, the process, the product, and that's. So you're like, you know what, I'm a part of this growing thing because downtown Fredericksburg is going to be something soon. You know, it already is, but it's growing, and I'm glad I'm a part of it. You can come on into our store or you can shop on our website. We'll be glad to serve you in either way. Thank you.
Our next FXBG Diverse City business featured is the Beverley family Ribinator food truck.
We're the Beverleys from Beverley's Ribinator Barbecue and Grill Rentals. This is my wife Vicki and our daughter Maya, and we're both veterans from the United States Army. Folks love barbecue, you know, and we get asked the question, well, do you do the North Carolina style? Do you do the St. Louis style? Do you do the Memphis style? To be honest with you, we do our own style. We buy different seasons. We mix everything up to a taste that we think would appease to everyone that comes up to the window. And we just go from there, you know. There's no set region in the barbecue. In my opinion, I try to incorporate everybody into it.
Our next FXBG Diverse City business featured is Chalk & More in Central Park.
Hello, my name is Tracy Fisher and my husband and I are the owners of Chalk & More at 1777 Carl D. Silver Parkway. We welcome all of our students, parents, and educators into Chalk & More to ensure that your homes, your classrooms, and anywhere that you are learning are fully outfitted with everything we have here at Chalk & More, where learning is fun. Please come down and see what you can find at Chalk & More. If you're unable to visit us at Chalk & More, you can always check us out on our website at chalkandmoreonline.com. You can always check us on our Facebook page every Tuesday at 5. Were it not for this great city of Fredericksburg, Chalk & More would not be a thriving business here in the area. We welcome everyone from near and far to come and see what you can find in Chalk & More, where learning is fun.
Our next FXBG Diverse City business feature is Pimenta on Caroline Street in downtown Fredericksburg.
Hi guys, my name is Simone Simmons. I am one of the co-owners here at Pimenta. We are located on 1108 Caroline Street, Fredericksburg, Virginia. And here I am talking to you guys about Black History Month and what it's like to be a Black business owner in Fredericksburg. So one of the things that we absolutely adore is our customers. And as I have here, we have our delicious oxtail and we also have our raised rum punch. You can find out more about us on www.pimentaeats.com, and you can also follow our social media, which is Pimenta FXBG. We look forward to hearing more from you and having you dine with us very soon. Cheers!
Next, we meet up with Kenneth Monsanto, owner of Whatever It Takes Fitness and Vibes and Paint.
I'm Kenneth Monsanto, owner of Whatever It Takes Fitness, Vibes and Paint. What we focus on here is just primarily physical, mental, and spiritual refinement. With vibes, we want to bring entertainment. We want to excite you. We want to have fun. We want to have a safe and effective time for your family and friends. With Whatever It Takes Fitness, I'm going to get you in the best shape of your life, mentally, physically, and spiritually. I would say that it's just about the physical thing. That's just one of the byproducts of what happens when you start taking care of yourself. We're talking about delaying the gratification. We're talking about time management. We're talking about being who you're called to be in all levels of life. You can find me on whateverittakesfitness.com. My trainer Kenneth on Instagram, Facebook Kenneth Monsanto, Facebook Vibes and Pace, Facebook Whatever It Takes Fitness, Facebook Fitness Authority. It's a million sites. Kenneth Monsanto, you can find me, but I love to help you with your goals, either entertainment or physical health. Fredericksburg has been a great space, man. It's been a great place for me. I feel like the infrastructure has grown faster than the minds and concepts of the people. But what it allows you to do, that those who have vision, especially in a time of crisis, that have vision and are quick to act, you know what I mean? You can make some money. You can make some opportunities for your family. You can make some opportunities for your friend. And Fredericksburg is an area where, man, it's fertile ground. It's a lot of opportunities to those who see, man. I've loved the area.
Our last featured Black-owned business is Inspired Selections Boutique, located in Westwood Office Park.
Greetings, my name is Lakia Hunt, and I am speaking today on behalf of Inspired Selections Boutique in Fredericksburg, Virginia. We are here in the community lifting, loving, and empowering women in the Fredericksburg community. We're located at 505 Westwood Office Park Drive in Fredericksburg, Virginia. We specialize in lifting and loving on women, so we specialize in clothing, bags, accessories, hats, everything neat and nice for a woman to lift and love and make her that every woman. If you're looking to contact us for events or anything regarding makeovers, you can look us up on social media, on Facebook at Inspired Selections. You can reach our website at www.inspiredselections.com. And we are also available via phone 703-843-1951.
To read the interviews for all 8 businesses, go to visitfred.com. Stay tuned next month for another FXBG Diverse City Highlights video, where we will feature women-owned businesses in the city of Fredericksburg. The city extends their thanks and appreciation to Fredericksburg Economic Development Authority, who is providing financial support for this initiative and recognizing diverse businesses in Fredericksburg. Thanks for watching.